Hey creators! Today we will set up my passport for the very first time on a MacBook Pro. To do that, I'm here on my MacBook Pro. I will come over here and click on my passport to open it. As you can see, we have two files here, one for macOS and one for Windows. Next, I will select the macOS file by double-click on it. Now I'm going to double-click on the software to install it. Next, I'm going to click on the Install Now button and click on Do Not Share for now. After that, click on I'm sure Do Not Share. As you can see, it's downloading onto my MacBook. Next, I'm going to type in my password and click on OK. So if you look over here, we have some tips and guides that pop up. You can read and learn about it, or you can click on skip to continue. Another thing you can do here is import data from your cloud storage, etc. In this case, I'm going to click on this icon here to hide it. Now go to the application, then type WD in the search box here. Next, select WD Drive Utilities. After that, click on Accept. Next, click on Extract. Then check the box I understand. Then click on Erase Drive. Next, type in my password and click on OK. WD Drive Utility would like to access files. Click on OK. Then the message Dry Erase Complete and Ready to Use pop up. Click on OK once again. Now click on Close here to close the window. Now my passport is ready. I will click on it to open. Next, I will create a folder, then name it Rose Etsy Store. After that, I will also want to create another folder and name it Encoder Daily Text. Now I'm going to double click on this folder to open. Next, I will click and drag my folder onto the drive to make a copy. Then if I click on the arrow here, I can see that these subfolders are copied over. Next, click on this X here to close the window. And over here in the Western Digital Software, I'm going to click and drag it to the trash can to reject it because I don't need it anymore. I will click on my passport to open. There you have it, creators. If you found this video useful, please give a thumbs up and follow me on Encoder Daily Text for more awesome tips like this. Thanks guys!